If you need a banner for a website, product launch, newsletter, ad, or social profile, the usual AI tools can make something fast. But they usually hand you a flat image. Today, I am showing the better version, an AI banner generator workflow that gives you crisp, editable SVG artwork instead of another blurry export. The problem with most banner makers is not the first draft. The first draft looks fine at one size. The pain starts when you resize it, change the copy, recolor it, put it on a retina screen, or try to reuse the same graphic across a landing page, a thumbnail, and an email. Header. SVG Genie turns that workflow into vectors. You describe the banner you want, pick a visual direction, and generate clean SVG assets that stay sharp at any size. Instead of a dead PNG, you get a graphic you can inspect, edit, recolor, export, and ship. This is today's replacement topic after the original queue was exhausted. I checked more than 5 Data for SEO candidates. AI Banner Generator had the strongest fresh opening, around 720 searches per month, and the YouTube results are mostly generic banner tutorials, not editable SVG. Workflows. Before you trust any banner generator, ask 4 questions. Will it stay sharp across every size? Can you edit the shapes and colors? Can you pull pieces into a web page or design system? And can the same visual idea become a hero graphic, ad banner, email header, and thumbnail without rebuilding everything? Here is the prompt: bold launch banner for a productivity app, clean geometric shapes, high contrast, editable SVG, space for headline text, works on a website hero and a social. Ad. That prompt gives the AI a job, a format, and a reuse plan. Now I get multiple vector directions. One feels like a landing page hero. One works as a social banner. One is simpler for an email header. The important part is that these are not locked screenshots. They are SVG assets I can keep shaping. This is the difference that matters. A raster banner is a finished picture. An SVG banner is a system of shapes. You can scale it without softness, recolor it for a campaign, isolate an icon, remove a background, or paste the source into a real web build. Good banners also need structure. Ask for a clear focal point, a safe text area, simple silhouettes, limited colors, and shapes that do not fight the headline. If the banner will sit behind text, say that directly. The output gets cleaner when the constraint is explicit. Use this prompt formula. Start with a channel, website hero, YouTube banner, LinkedIn cover, email header, ad creative, product promo, or event banner. Then, name the style, the subject, the color direction, the text safe area, and the fact that you want editable SVG output. This is useful anywhere one design has to become many assets. Launch pages, SaaS headers, podcast covers, product hunt graphics, newsletters, conference announcements, social campaigns, sponsorship slots, and internal dashboards all need banners that can adapt without falling apart. For developers, an SVG banner is much easier to ship than a giant bitmap. You can inline it, lazy load it, recolor it with CSS, optimize the paths, animate pieces, and keep the file crisp on every screen. It behaves like an interface asset, not a screenshot. Keep the SVG as the master. Export PNG previews for social, PDF for Dex or print, Figma assets for polish, and clean code for the website. One editable vector banner can become the whole campaign kit. The search opening is simple. People are already looking for AI banner generators, but most tutorials stop at a quick image. SVG Genie gives the stronger payoff, banners that remain editable after the first generation, which is what real campaigns actually need. You can try SVG Genie free with no credit card required. After that, credit packs start at $9 with no subscription to cancel. If you make launch graphics, ads, or website visuals even a few times a month, editable SVG output saves real cleanup time. So stop making banners that look good once and break everywhere else. Go to speakgenie.com, type your banner idea, and generate a clean editable SVG you can resize, recolor, code, export, and ship across the whole campaign.